How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Steam Deck stuck on logo. So to fix a Steam Deck stuck on the logo screen, the first thing that I recommend is to force restart the device by simply holding down the power button for around 10 seconds. From there, you also want to remove any inserted micro SD card and disconnect all peripherals. You simply want to turn it back on after waiting for around 5 to 15 minutes, as it may be processing a background update. If a simple reboot doesn't fix the issue, you then want to boot from a previous OS. Basically, sometimes a bad update or a software hiccup causes a boot loop. So you simply want to turn off your Steam Deck completely, and then you want to press and hold the three dots on the actual. You then want to press this three dots, which is going to be the quick access button and the power button simultaneously. Basically press this both until you hear a chime. From there, it will go ahead and boot up safely, and then you want to release the button to enter the safe boot or the boot manager menu. Look for the previous option. Basically, it's the previous Steam OS, and select it to boot your device using the last stable version. Now, once booted, you could safely connect to a Wi-Fi and re-update your device from the system setting. So that's one way to do it. The other is to enter the battery storage mode. Once again, you just want to make sure to turn off your Steam Deck. Right after, you want to press the volume plus button and tap the power button to enter the setup utility BIOS. Navigate through the power and select battery storage mode. Confirm your choice and wait for the console to shut down entirely. Plug the device into the official charger, turn it on, and from there, you want to see if that works. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.